How did the 14th and 15th Amendments impact Reconstruction? Imagine a nation trying to rebuild itself after a brutal civil war. The United States faced the challenge of ensuring freedom and equality for millions of newly freed African Americans. That's where the 14th and 15th Amendments come into play. These laws changed the game during the Reconstruction era, which was the period right after the Civil War when the country worked to reunite and rebuild. The 14th Amendment, ratified in 1868, was a major step forward. It declared that anyone born or naturalized in the United States was automatically a citizen. This included formerly enslaved people who had been denied citizenship before. It also said that states had to treat all citizens equally under the law. This was a direct response to the Dred Scott decision, which had said black people could not be citizens. The amendment made it clear that discrimination by states was no longer acceptable. It also limited states' power to pass laws that hurt black Americans. This meant that states could no longer pass black codes, which were laws designed to restrict the rights of black people. The 14th Amendment became the legal foundation for future civil rights laws and helped redefine what it meant to be an American citizen. Then came the 15th Amendment in 1870. Its goal was to protect the voting rights of African American men. It stated that no one could be denied the right to vote because of their race, color, or previous condition of servitude. This was a huge victory because it allowed black men to vote and run for office for the first time in U.S. history. During Reconstruction, this led to a surge of black participation in politics, especially in the South. Black voters helped elect new leaders and shape policies. But this progress faced fierce opposition. Groups like the Ku Klux Klan used violence and intimidation to stop black people from voting. To fight this, Congress passed enforcement acts, which used federal power to protect black voters and punish those who tried to suppress their rights. Together, these amendments marked a shift in the balance of power. They made the federal government responsible for protecting individual rights against discriminatory state laws. This was a big change from the earlier focus on states' rights. The amendments aimed to end slavery's legacy by guaranteeing citizenship and voting rights for black Americans. However, even with these laws in place, many challenges remained. Racist attitudes, black codes, and violence in the South made it hard for these rights to be fully enforced right away. Still, they laid the groundwork for future civil rights movements and showed a clear commitment to equality. During the Reconstruction era, these amendments were key tools in trying to build a more just and inclusive nation.